Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Forex Flossing, where you can find quick, simple explanations for Forex concepts. So this is going to be the first video in a series of videos explaining my trading strategy, but specifically today we are going to identify potential institutional buying and selling levels that may coincide with other methods that we use to trade in the market. For example, looking at price action, EMAs, or specific times of the day, etc. And identifying these higher probability areas for buying and selling in terms of risk reward. So what I have today is I have a indicator that would help us achieve in identifying the potential institutional buying and selling levels. And so for all intents and purposes, I have already downloaded the indicator. However, the indicator will be in the description box for you to download. So it's here in a folder on my desktop. And so within your MetaTrader 4 account, you would go to Open Data folder, and that will bring you to the file that you saved, actually the path that you saved MetaTrader 4 on your computer. You would then go to MQL4. You would go to indicators. And then you would put the indicator, you would transfer this over into your indicator folder. I'm not going to do it now because it's already there on my MetaTrader 4. Okay, so you would just drag and drop. Then you would go to your navigator window. You would right click and you would hit the refresh button. And once you hit the refresh button, you will be able to see your sweet spot indicator, which is right here on your screen. So you want your values to be 100, 100, and 250. I like the main color gold, and I usually make the sub color white. And just press OK. And then this comes up. Okay, so what is this? So every line you see demarks a potential institutional buying and selling level. So the theory is the banks trade on whole numbers. And what this indicator provides is every 25 pips, it gives you a level for every 25 pips. So from this white tracer to this thinner yellow tracer, that's 25 pips, to the to this white tracer, it's 25 pips, and so on. So for the thicker yellow lines, those are the exact whole numbers. As you can see, we're using GA for an example. This is the 1.79 level. This is the 1.78. So this is 100 pips. These darker yellow lines are every 100 pips, right? And in between them is every 25 pips. So the theory is that the banks sell whole numbers. They don't sell to 1.79370. They don't have time to do that. So they go from level to level and zone to zone. And it is said that if you can, all you have to do is identify the direction of a trade. And if you just trade these institutional levels, where institutions may be building up positions, you'll be a millionaire. You will literally be winning more than not because you're trading with the banks. So this sweet spots indicator is just one of the confluences that I use in my trading strategy. There is also maybe 2 or 3 more indicators that I have that if you're interested in getting, all you have to do is send me a DM and I will email them to you at no charge. So in addition to the sweet spot indicator, I also use the daily weekly open, and this red tracer demarks the weekly open, and the blue tracer demarks the daily open. I also have a show weeks so that I can see what day I'm trading on. So it shows me when Wednesday, it shows me the trading week. And last but not least, I'm looking for my other one. I'm looking for previous day high low, daily high low, and I usually make my daily high low black. So it always gives me the previous day high and the previous day low. And so as you can see here, the black tracer always gives me, so for example, Wednesday, this is Tuesday's previous day. This is Tuesday's high. And so that's demarked on Wednesday. Tuesday's high is demarked on Wednesday. Thursday's high is demarked. Wednesday's high is demarked on Thursday. Thursday's high is demarked on Friday. Okay, so these are all indicators that I use as confluence to help me form a bias, to help identify where price action is moving to next. And the best way to do that is to know what the institutional levels are, is to know previous day high low, and is to know weekly and daily opening. I am simply using these technical indicators to inform my trading strategy. So by using this consortium of information, I am able to be well informed when it's time to make a decision on how I want to enter the market. There are also 2 other helpful indicators that I wanted to make available to you if you so desire them. This is a candle counter. It also, once I enter a trade, if I were to enter a trade, it would also count the pips. So it's just a really great indicator to have, because I am informed on how many pips I have going at one time. I can give you an example here. I'm in GJ, and this is my little pip counter, and so I'm able to see, oh, in this trade I have 60 pips, I have 31 pips. So that's just an example there. And then the average daily rate marker, I like that because sometimes this is on point. Sometimes price action does reach the average daily rate. And so it's just helpful. It's just another helpful indicator to just inform the trader. So this, it may look a little messy and it may look like it's all over the place. However, there is a way to control your indicators. You would just right click, go to the indicator list, and this is the indicator list that I use to trade my strategy. However, if it becomes too overwhelming and too cluttered, I can delete. Like, I can delete show weeks if I know what level I'm at, and I know, and I've determined which level I'm seeking to trade to, I can delete show weeks. I'm sorry, sweet spot. I can delete that, so I just see my daily open close and high low indicator. Or, I mean, you can add and remove indicators at your own will. This was just simply to introduce you to the indicators, to introduce you to sweet spot, and give you a little information about institutional trading and how we will begin the series on using this trading strategy, and hopefully it will pan out successfully for you like it has for me. Yeah, I think I'm going to end this here, and then in my next video, I will show you how to employ the trading strategy with all of the indicators collectively. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.